105 cities that we run a Umrao Jan contest, which people have clicked on. We got over 1,000 entries. People have select 10 come here. They are going to be here sometime, so we must maintain record.
Welcome all of you. Thank you.
I think without taking much time, you would like to open the floor for questions and...
All right. Anytime.
Anytime.
Yes.
We're ahead also. All right.
Yes.
Thank you for the invitation.
Of course, in advance also. If I work in a movie, you also find co-actor, whatever, Mr. Datta is there. So if you need anybody, I'm here for the job. That's all I have to say. Thank you, everybody.
Hi. Mr. Datta refutes any claims that this movie is a remake and says there's no scope for any comparisons. Do you think
He's the maker, he's the director of the film, and he's the one who's created the piece of cinema.
That's true.
So what he says is the final word.
Okay, but don't you think there's also bound to be comparisons between you and Rekha because she has essayed this role before that?
I guess that is your prerogative. That's what you all are here to do, because at every press conference you all have been making a reference. I'm sure you all have decided to do it, you all are doing it, and you will do it in post-delivery.
I just want to know, while essaying this story, did you at any point of time picture that Umrao Jan in your mind, or did you have a totally different perspective on this character when you were doing it?
Very, very honestly, the line of questioning normally what I've been asked is, have I watched the earlier piece of work? To which I have very honestly stated that my memory was blurred because I watched it as a Sunday movie like several years ago. So I didn't remember the movie in terms of scenes and the actual narrative. The songs and the visual, obviously, because creditably so, the media has kept it alive in our memory up until date. And we've got so many music-based shows, and it is a fantastic visual, wonderful music, wonderfully performed by Rekha ji, and you know, it's definitely a beautiful part of our cinematic memory. So in that sense, yeah, I did. It does come to mind in terms of a visual reference, but in terms of content, the slate was clean. I absolutely came afresh for you know, Mr. J.P. Datta's narrative, and that's who I took directions from. And I'm very, very clear that I'm here to really you know, deliver to his satisfaction as an actor in his movie. So there's no question of at the point in time that I was starting the film, there's no question of me actually, you know, hiring the DVD and making references to the earlier version, because I don't believe in that mode of work, and I've answered this even when I've done data. So that's very, very
Can I elaborate, but why? Are we questioning him, why have you made a white rose? Why are you not continuing making red roses? Yeah? We don't...
you know, in the world of cinema, so references to literature or any other piece of art to be created cinematically or recreated cinematically is really the creative genius's prerogative, and there's no reason to be, you know, this to be the one tunnel vision perspective.
You know how many times the Bible is read? You know,
Did you do any research in terms of the time span, and you know, did you do any prior preparation before?
With our well-wishers. I mean, that's a given, yeah. That's a given. I don't even need to answer this question.
Sabka naam hai Abhishek.
You know, this is
Sitting with my wife in the car, and That's the only time in my entire life that I actually put them together.
I think I gotta reach that one. Yeah. It's been such a busy time. Though I know.
What? Man, here, second. I told you she's going to go inside. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, excuse me. She's going to go inside only. Excuse me.
He's already started on the informal session.
Clear, 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 clear.
Please clear the way.
ये रिलेट करने की बात ऐसी है कि मैं इस चीज को मानता हूं कि लास्ट 30 साल में मुझे अगर मेरा जहां तक मेरी मेमोरी मुझे अगर मेरा साथ देती है तो पाकीज़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है टुवर्ड्स दिस कंट्री, टुवर्ड्स द वर्ल्ड बेसिकली. I feel that in the last 30 years there has not been a single Muslim social as such where we see the richness of the art, of the music that they contributed to our language. आज अगर हिंदुस्तानी लैंग्वेज जिसे हम कहते हैं वो देन जो है वो उर्दू से हिंदुस्तानी बनी, जिसने हमारे पूरे मुल्क को इकट्ठा किया. और ये ध्यान में रखते हुए कि 30 साल में कोई ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनी जहां की ये कम्युनिटी अपने आप को अपना सर उठाकर कहे कि हमने बहुत ही ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है. आप अगर देखेंगे तो अगर आप हिस्ट्री में जाएंगे जैसे मैंने फिल्म करने से पहले किया, द फैक्ट इज दैट इंडियन सिनेमा टुडे व्हाट वी कॉल हिंदी सिनेमा, रुस्वा जो है जिन्होंने ये किताब लिखी है, the languages that he knew were English, French, Pali, Greek.
Okay, no, I just needed to talk to you. It should be like, let them see more posters for them. Yeah. Yeah. Right. And what my thing also, what do you think I should do? That's the. I can say. First one. Yeah, I'll sit down. कहाँ बैठे? इस तरह the press का?
दादा अभी रुकिए, बाद में वो तो गया ना.
अच्छा
बैठने दो ना. दादा बैठने दो. बैठने तो ले लियो, वहाँ से यहाँ तक ले लेना.
For actors it's a good thing because you're not faffing around and getting tired waiting. Absolutely. Required, you're not called. You're not just there. Makeup लगा के बस बैठे हैं, you're called and you're wrapped up. Mahesh is completely American in nature, Hollywood. For the first time I've heard of this term called rap. It's a rap. Back up नहीं बोलते. Rap. It's a rap. Checking the gate and all that stuff. I never knew it was.
friend, follow me. KK. How are you?
Okay.
What do you? What are you doing? All these new ones that come up with this golden petals and big collection of companies. That you could see because there are like a when is it going to start now? You're waiting. Actually, what's the time? I don't know what's going to be. 8:30, I guess. 4 to 9? 4 to 9? No, 8:30. 30 is not it's fast.
So she won't be coming. So her passes, her invites, she will have to give somebody else.
Not bad at all. How are you doing? Long time.
Congrats, you won this
So that's what I'm saying.
photo award.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
I read about it. I remember you telling me about it. So, finally.
Quite out of the blue. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he does
I
a
do,
lot of underwater photography. He told me this long
Just
time
as a
ago.
kind of a
And can you
hobby.
believe after? Yeah. So then one fine day I opened the paper and he was telling me, I was like, yeah.
Take Baroka.
And I was like, he must be good.
Baroka.
So I won like an international
It's a
award
hobby,
and everything.
yeah? Oh, wow.
See,
It's a hobby, right?
It is still on. Luckily
So I got inspired by her, you know. I said, let me just do it. But you've got to be very fearless about being claustrophobic, you know. They only can do that, no? You feel claustrophobic, then it's not the
That's
best.
the least of your worries. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
that is something that you
that night only.
have to be comfortable with from the very beginning.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'll speak to him again.
All right. But that's
Hold. Yes, please. थोड़ा please. Yes. Yes, please. Yes.
उस कैमरा पीछे लेना जूम है ना भाई
Yes, please.
हाँ मनीषा जी इधर
Nisha ji, please look in front.
तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है यार क्या जूम नहीं लगता है
Yes, keep there. Manisha, please.
yes, it's
ये chair, please. Chair.
सब कैमरा पीछे इसका आ रहा है
Yes, Manisha, please. One more, please. Hold. अरे एक मिनट एक
एक
प्लीज प्लीज
मानो
Yes, please. Thank you.
right.
Thank you.
What is Sirf? Sirf में क्या कर रहा है? What interesting you made it to sign this film first?
सिर्फ का मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा है एंड आई थॉट इट वाज एन एक्सीलेंट स्क्रिप्ट. पहले 10 पेज पढ़ने के बाद ही मुझे लगा कि ये किसी ने सोच समझ कर ये स्क्रिप्ट लिखा है. सो मुझे मालूम था उसके बाद कि this is something that was really interesting. So पूरा script पढ़ने के बाद भी I love the script, and that is the main thing, and I feel आजकल script is king, especially the kind of films.
And then she stepped into the Hindi film industry. Saga over his smile. His boy next door innocent looks and unforgettable smile has audiences asking for more. Is he here? No. Like Yash Johar, Manmohan Desai, Mahesh Bhatt, N. Chandra, and Shekhar Kapoor. Girish has also worked on several foreign co-productions. His working experiences. Okay, great. Ranveer, please join us on stage. Like I was saying earlier, Girish has also worked on several foreign co-productions. His working experience to learn more. I will also quickly introduce all of you to the other members of the team. We have, of course, Santosh Saroj, who we don't need to really mention anything about because he's done so much, he's contributed so much in the cinema. We have Baba Azmi, who's a cinematographer, who again we don't need to mention anything about because his works have everyone know about them. He's one of the finest cinematographers in India. We have Mehboob, who's doing the lyrics. Again, who is a colleague of Rajitesh Nair, and they have come together to write the story and screenplay for Sid. Vioni has freshness to the music of Sid. And Shahid Amir, who is the stylist of the film. Who is from the cast could answer. Can we have your stage, sir? Questions at all?
Manisha, what is that one thing that attracted you to work in this school? Actually, there are a couple of things. First of all, I love the screenplay story and the whole concept that life is greener on the other side, which is quite feeling because it's really true to life. We always think other person is happier, more content than we are, and our problems are greater than other people's problems are. So I think I could relate to the storyline. Everybody would relate to it, and it's a content-based story, and that on different levels, whether they poor, rich, or middle class, or whatever, everybody's having almost a similar kind of problems. So I kind of like the whole concept and the way he's telling the story, and also his, I've worked with him before, Nacha, so I knew that he's going to be a really talented director. And so many things, just not one thing, a couple of things.
Anyone else? This is a press conference and you're supposed to ask questions. My role?
Actually, well, she's again one of those characters who is actually not happy in her life, and she's always wearing a mask and is something else